Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, we're going to learn how can you unsubscribe emails from Gmail. So at first you need to go to your Google and search for clean emails. Now just go to this very first website. Now click on try it now for free. Now just here you need to put your email address, and after entering your email address click on continue. Now just select your email address, click on allow. Now here you can see unsubscribe from mailing lists. Click on it, the red one. After clicking it, all the subscription of platforms will be shown here. Now you can just click on unsubscribe here. Click on try it for free in the bottom. Now just click start your free trial. Now just click on unsubscribe. Click on confirm, and here you can see the unsubscription is complete. So guys, that's how you can unsubscribe emails from Gmail. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.